మీకు అప్డేట్ నోటిఫికేషన్స్ కావాలనుకుంటే బెల్ బటన్ నొక్కండి. రాజేష్ లెక్కలు సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేసుకోండి. బీటెక్, డిగ్రీ, ఇంటర్, పాలిటెక్నిక్, ఎస్ఎస్సి ఆల్ కాంపిటేటివ్ ఎగ్జామ్స్ మ్యాథమెటిక్స్ నా వీడియోస్ ఉంటాయండి. వెల్కమ్ టు రాజేష్ లెక్కలు. టుడే అవర్ టాపిక్ ఈజ్ డిఫరెన్షియేషన్, ఇంటర్మీడియట్ ఫస్ట్ ఇయర్ మ్యాథమెటిక్స్ బి, ఎక్సర్సైజ్ 9A. Find the derivative of the following functions f of x. Okay, already I told that 5 problems. Now 6th one, 7th, 8th, 9th, 10th here. See, now solution 6th one here. Solution 6th one, e power x plus sin x into cos x. Okay, let y equal e power x plus sin x into cos x. See here, do you know the formula here? We are applying here. This is u into v, u into v form. Okay, derivation of u into v because of two functions here. One is sin x and another one is cos x. Okay, right? Derivation d by dx into y equal d by dx into e power x plus sin x into cos x. Okay, right? D by dx into e power x plus d by dx into sin x into cos x. Okay, this is u, this is v. Okay, d by dx into e power x is direct formula. We are applying e power x. Okay, right? Plus d by dx into sin x into cos x. Right? U into v formula. See here, u into v formula, d by dx into u into v equal to u dv by dx plus v du by dx. Okay, see here that equals e power x plus this is u, this is v, uv here, u sin x as it is right here, d by dx into cos x, d by dx into cos x. Okay, next plus cos x as is right here, d by dx into sin x. Okay, right, that equal e power x plus sin x, d by dx cos x. What is that? Minus sin x plus cos x, d by dx sin x. What is that? Cos x. Okay, right, e power x plus sin into sin, sin square x minus sin square x plus cos square x. Okay, that implies e power x minus sin square x plus cos square x. This is the 6th solution. Okay, right? Next one, 7th one solution. Solution 7th one. See here, let y equals 5 sin x plus e power x log x, e power x log x. See, derivation d by dx into y equal d by dx into 5 sin x e power x into log x. Okay, see here, we are applying d by dx sin x formula, d by dx, this is u, this is v. Okay, u into v formula. See here, d by dx sin x, what is that? Cos x. Okay, d by dx e power x, e power x, d by dx log x equal 1 by x. See here, u into v method, d by dx into u into v equal u dv by dx plus v du by dx. Using these formulas here, now here two functions. One function is exponential e power x, another one log x. dy by dx, that equals, what is that? 5 constant taken outside, d by dx into sin x plus d by dx into e power x log x. Okay. 5 d by dx sin x, what is that? Cos x plus u as is right here, d by dx log x plus log x right as is here, d by dx into e power x. Okay, this is formula. 5 cos x plus e power x into 1 by x plus log x into e power x. This is the seventh solution. Okay, right? Next, eighth solution. Next, eighth solution. Solution eighth one. What is that? See here. Let y equal 5 power x plus log x plus x cube into e power x. See here, derivation applying here, d by dx into y, that equal to d by dx into 5 power x plus log x plus x cube into e power x. Here also u into v, only this term, u into v application product of here, right? Now we are using formulas d by dx into a power x. What is that a power x? A power x into log a. See here, a equal 5. Okay, remember that one. D by dx into log x. What is that? 1 by x. Now, d by dx into u into v, that equal to u dv by dx plus v du by dx. Okay. These formulas we are applying here. dy by dx, that equal dy by dx into 5 power x plus dy by dx into log x plus dy by dx into x cube into e power x. Okay, right? U into v derivative, that one. Now see here, first formula applying, a equal to 5 here, 5 power x into log 5. Okay, next d by dx into log x, what is that? Second formula, 1 by x plus this is x cube d by dx into e power x plus e power x d by dx into x cube. See here, inner derivative, another formula we are applying. What is that? d by dx into x to the power of n equal n into x to the power of n minus 1. See here, only this one we are applying formula, only this one, right? That equal to 5 power x log 5 plus 1 by x plus d by dx e power x, what is that? E power x, x cube into e power x plus e power x into 3x square. Okay, this is the eighth solution. Do you have any doubt in this problem? Next, ninth one. Ninth one is the important. See here, ninth one is the very important solution. Ninth one. Let y equal ax plus b whole to the power of n into cx plus d whole to the power of m. Okay. d by dx into y equal d by dx into ax plus b whole to the power of n into cx plus d whole to the power of m. See here, this is u, this is v. Same u into v formula we applying here. dy by dx into uv equal to u d by dx plus v du by dx. Okay, see here, this is very most important here we are applying, because inner derivative also here. See that dy by dx, that equal to ax plus b whole to the power of n d by dx into cx plus d whole to the power of m plus cx plus d whole to the power of m into dy dx into ax plus b whole to the power of n. Okay, see here basic formula. What is that? Dy dx. What is the basic formula here? Dy dx into x to the power of n equal n into x to the power of n minus 1. First we are applying here. This is completely x. Okay, we assume that x to the power of m, that equals ax plus b whole to the power of n m into cx plus d whole to the power of n minus 1. Sorry, m minus 1. We applying inner derivative. What is that? Dy dx into cx, dy dx into c here. Dy dx into x, what is that? 1. Okay. C here, c into 1 plus 0 constant. Next plus here this one cx plus d whole to the power of m. Again here we are applying this formula n into ax plus b whole to the power of n minus 1. Now here a into 1 plus 0. Dy dx into k. Constant means that value 0. Okay. See here m into ax plus b whole to the power of n. Okay. Cx plus d whole to the power of n minus 1 into c plus n into cx plus d whole to the power of m ax plus b whole to the power of n minus 1 into a. Okay. See here general solution. That is dy by dx equals mc ax plus b whole to the power of n cx plus d whole to the power of m minus 1 plus n a cx plus d whole to the power of m into ax plus b whole to the power of n minus 1. This is the ninth solution. Okay, right? Important and this one. Next, 10th solution. Solution 10th one. Y equal 1 by ax square plus bx plus c mod a plus mod b plus mod c not equal 0. Because of these are not equal to 0. So why we take a not equal 0? 1 by 0, what is that? Infinite. Okay. Because of this value not equal 0. Okay. See here y equal ax square plus bx plus c whole inverse. Now dy by dx equals dy dx into ax square plus bx plus c whole inverse. Now using formula here, d by dx into x to the power of n equal n into x to the power of n minus 1. Okay. Basic formula. This is completely x. Now using formula here, dy by dx minus 1 into ax square plus bx plus c whole to the power of minus 1 minus 1. Now inner derivative dy by dx into ax square plus bx plus c. Okay, minus 1 into ax square plus bx plus c whole to the power of minus 2. Now inner derivative 2ax plus b into 1 plus 0. That is equal minus 2ax plus b by ax square plus bx plus c whole square. Okay. Do you have any doubt these 5 problems? Please comment, please subscribe my channel, like and share. Thank you everyone.